Hello everyone. Today we are going to see standard 5th chapter number 7 internet services. Okay, what we are going to learn in this chapter? In this chapter we will explore different services provided by the internet. Then we are going to see how we can create and use a email account. Then we will see how we can create online comics. Okay, then last one is we will identify and avoid unethical practices on the internet, means what things we should do and we shouldn't. So first thing, services provided by the internet. Basically, what is meaning of service here? Service means what are the different things which are provided by the internet. For example, everyone watches YouTube, correct? So YouTube provides us videos, so we can say it is a online video based service. With the help of internet we receive messages on WhatsApp, correct? So without internet can we receive messages on WhatsApp? No, we can't. So WhatsApp we can say a method of communication, like that. If you want to buy anything from online, Amazon, Swiggy, anything, without internet can we access these applications? No, we require internet. Internet is the basic thing in day-to-day life. Just imagine, without internet can we live? Yes, we can, but it is much difficult, because what is happening nowadays, we are addicted to the internet. When we woke up we need our phone, we take the phone, we see news on YouTube, otherwise we see WhatsApp messages or Instagram, anything. But without phone we cannot live. Every here and there, now and then, we require our phone with us, correct? So we are dependent on the phone and internet too much. If we want to perform any calculation, we don't use our brain, we simply open the mobile and use the calculator, correct? Means we are much more dependent on internet and electronic devices like mobile phones. Now services means what are the uses of internet, we will see. First use, sending and receiving emails, correct? Means with the help of internet we can send as well as we can receive the emails. What is the full form of email? E stand for electronic and mail as it is mail. So full form of email is electronic mail. Where we use this mail? Mails are used to send and receive messages. Why? Then what type of files we can share? We can share audio, video, image, text and other files. Other file like means, for example, APK, correct? APK means applications. Multiple files are there. Zip file also. And who provide us this service? There are few email providing services on internet, and basically we use Google. Okay, Google is a company, everyone know that. So it provides a service of sharing mail. That particular name is called as Gmail. Okay, Google provide a service of mail, its name is Gmail, and this is the symbol of Gmail. Second one is Yahoo, this is the symbol of Yahoo. And third one is Mozilla. There are multiple, but these are major, popular and free one use. Okay, they don't charge us to use this application, these are free application. Second thing, accessing information on World Wide Web, www. Means if you want to access any information, for example, your sir gave you a chance to give speech on any particular day. For example, there is Earth Day, so you don't know the area of the earth or how much water it contains. So what you will do, you will simply Google it, correct, and search information related to the earth. So for that purposes you require first internet, correct? Then you will open any browser, correct, web browser, in which you will open a search engine, correct? Previous year we learned this all, search engines, browsers. So Google is a search engine, we will open Google. So if you want to access Google, you can simply write Google also, but it is not a correct mandatory way. So for that you need to write www.google.com. Here com stand for commercial. Okay, commercial, for your general knowledge only. So when you will visit like this type, and when you write www particular website name and .com, here you can see Wikipedia. What is Wikipedia? Wikipedia is a website on which you can search about anything, not only just human, any act or anything. Means it will provide information. Here you can see Google, and then for example, if I want to search about a particular, for example, I want to search about Narendra Modi, correct? Here you can see Narendra Modi. When I will click first website, here you can see Wikipedia, correct? Wikipedia. What is the use of this website? With this website we can get everything related to respected Narendra Modi ji, correct? Here you can see his name, that all, when he elected. Here in this column you can see all the career related about him. Here you can, he is president, vice president, cabinet, deputy, when was his, all his history we can see. Okay, here you can see like this. Means in short, it will it just don't provide about any human, it provide about any act also. For example, which act we can say? Chandrayaan 3. Okay, now here you can see again, means it show information about human, non-living things, any particular thing or any event also. When I will click, it will show who was the main in charges, when was it, mission duration, all these, was spacecraft station, and like this stuff, correct? So means in short, Wikipedia is a website which will give information you about anything. Okay, next one is using video chatting applications. Video chatting applications mean on which we can chat as well as we can do video. So here are two major apps, Zoom and Google Meet. You had been meet any one of this app in pandemic time, correct? When online school was there, your school was using any one of these application. So what is the use of this application? With this application we can video call multiple peoples. Now here you can see popular examples are Zoom, Google Meet, Telegram and WhatsApp. You will see that WhatsApp is at bottom. Why? Because we are talking about video chatting application, not chatting applications. Okay, WhatsApp is basically a chatting application, not a video chatting application. Why not? Because there are few differences. In Zoom we can add more than thousands of participants also, correct? But on WhatsApp there is a particular limit of video calling. Second thing, to call anyone on a Zoom meeting we need to share only the link, correct? But if you want to call it even on WhatsApp, we need to share our personal mobile number, correct? Sharing mobile number is not a good thing to the unknown person. Then second one, there are particular things. For example, in a WhatsApp, if anyone is making annoying sound, so I want to mute him, I cannot mute anyone on WhatsApp, correct? But if I am using Zoom and I had created the meeting, so I can mute them. Second thing, I can kick out also them. Okay, on WhatsApp we cannot, but here we can. And then recording whatever we had done in that particular meeting, at last there is an option to save the meeting, means it will record all the meeting points in that. But on WhatsApp there is not any method to save the recording, so that's why it is called as video chatting application. Zoom, okay, it is WhatsApp also called, but not at a major scale. Okay, then these all are free applications. And by the way, next one is buying products online. Means nowadays we can see, nowadays we are not going for shopping, we are simply just using our phone, opening Amazon, Flipkart, anything, any application like that, and we are simply ordering things, correct? What is the use of that? Simple. If I want to go to any mall or something, first I will need to wake up, get fresh, change, then go in this heavy traffic, or we can say in this much summer time I will go to the mall, then I will choose. It is a hectic and lengthy process. But here, with the help of mobile, I can simply open the mobile, open the application and order whatever thing I want, correct? And also, main plus point of online thing is we get to watch reviews about that particular product. In shop, we don't get the reviews. Here we get the reviews. Which are the famous applications? Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, as you can see, Myntra, like this. Buying products online. In this, we can also add Swiggy and Zomato, because from there also we are buying products, okay, but that are eatable products, so we can use that also. So Blinkit is there nowadays. Using online music and video services, correct? If you want to hear online music, specifically we use Spotify, correct? Then Savan, Jio, multiple applications are there to listen the audio. If I want to watch any content, then I will use YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime, multiple things, correct? So for watching there are separate, and for hearing or listening there are separate, okay? And here are few things which are paid as well as few things are service. For example, Spotify, if you are using it free, it's okay. Just after every one or two song it will play ad, unskippable ad. Same like YouTube also. But Netflix and these things are not free. If you are not buying the membership, they will not show you a single 10-second video also. First you need to pay for them. So few applications are free and few applications are paid, depending on the category, okay? Next, use of internet. Mostly everyone loves this service, playing online games, okay? Everyone play online games nowadays. Which are the examples? Candy Crush, Subway, Minecraft. Basically nowadays we can say PUBG, Call of Duty or Free Fire, correct? These games we cannot access without internet. Internet is the must and major thing for accessing these games. And not last but the least, booking tickets for travel and movies. For example, if I want to travel, I can book tickets online, okay? For example, I want to travel via bus, so I can use RedBus, correct? If I want to book tickets for movies, I will use Book My Show. And now here you can see IRCTC. IRCTC means this is the application of railway ticket booking. If I want to book any railway ticket, I will use IRCTC app. It is an official app of Indian Railway Ministry, okay? Then there are multiple applications, Trivago, Agoda, like this, from where you can book bus, railway, aeroplane and hotel, all things at a one place nowadays. This is called as technology.